Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I want to share something I recently came across that really caught my attention. It's called PDF Cash Printer. If you've ever searched for ways to make money online, chances are you've seen bold claims like, "Get paid $500 just for sharing PDFs." Naturally, I had to look into it and see what it's all about. PDF Cash Printer is a done-for-you affiliate system created by Lisa Monroe and Glenn Kosky. The main idea behind it is pretty straightforward. You're given access to a library of pre-written PDF files, each filled with valuable content like guides, cheat sheets, or how-to tips. Inside each PDF are your affiliate links to high-ticket offers. When someone downloads the PDF and makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. And not just a few bucks. We're talking about commissions up to $500 per sale. What makes this system different is that you're not required to build a website, run ads, or even have a following. They show you where to upload these PDFs to what they call a secret platform, which already has built-in traffic. That means no paying for clicks or building an audience from scratch. It's clearly designed for beginners, with zero tech skills required, and it even works on mobile. Plus, they offer a 180-day money-back guarantee, which is a nice safety net if you're unsure. If you're new to affiliate marketing and looking for a super low-risk way to get started, PDF Cash Printer might be worth checking out. If you want to learn more about PDF Cash Printer, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.